Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. Friends, today in this video I will show you how you can use your calculator on your screen, on your home screen. Like this I am using in my mobile phone. Here is I can use calculator. I can do anything, everything. I can increase or decrease the and here you can see I can move this calculator anywhere. I can increase decrease the size of this calculator. So how to open this type of calculator I will show you. First of all, I am going to close this calculator, and I am going to show you that I am using Redmi Y3 mobile phone. Here you can see that I am using Redmi Y3 mobile phone. So in this mobile phone, what you have to you have to simply go to your calculator and open your calculator, and here you have to click on this two arrow symbols on the corner. You can see on the corner there are two arrow symbols. Just click on these arrow symbols and your calculator is open. Now you can use this calculator anywhere in your mobile phone. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.